presenting a pre-owned 2017 GMC Yukon. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable transmission. This GMC has less than 96,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and sunroof.